The police were turned into a gang and goons who are killing the people. They are known as Tonton Makut. The police in Kenya are becoming Tonton Makut. And we are telling Ruto broadly here in game, if you touch Raila Amolo Odinga, I can tell you, you'll regret the day you were born. You'll regret the day you were born. And to Gachagua, you cannot be a Mau. Does a Mau look like Gachagua? Do you see the face of a Mau in Gachagua? In fact, some people tell me it looks like somebody from the Rift Valley somewhere. A Mau is somebody like Martha Karua. A Mau is somebody like Raila Amolo Odinga. Gachagua, you are a home guard who is killing his own people. You cannot be a freedom fighter and preach the messages that you're preaching to us. And I want to finalize by saying there are many words that people use. There are those who are called despots. When I hear the word despot, I see the Kenya Kwanza government. This is a government of despotism. When I hear demagogues, and demagogues are the people Wandai was talking about, the Bokasas, the Mobutus, the Papadog. When I see Ruto in broad light every day, I think of demagoguery. They are just simple demagogues.